Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to use Jagat app. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you're wondering how do you use or start using the Jagat app here? Well, this one is fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to install the actual app. So you want to go and open up Google Play Store here, and you want to look for Jagat and just click on the install button. But once you've installed this, you go and click on the open button here, and it should open up the app. Now, the thing with this app here is you need to allow a few settings here in order for you to start using the app. Let's go and click on Start. From here, you can go and just create your account, either with a Google account or your Facebook account. Let's go and choose Google here. Let's go and choose our account. Now, once you've chosen your account here, you don't want to go and click on Agree and Share. And from here, it's going to basically ask you to enter some information about yourself. Let's go and enter our gender here and also our nickname. Click on login. Now from here, it's going to say you need to allow Jagat to run in the background. Let's go and click on allow to run in the background. And from here, you want to also let the app always run in the background. Let's click on allow here. And from here, we need to do is you want to go ahead and basically click on the no restrictions, or you could go and choose the battery saver option here. Go back here and click on find me. From here, you want to go and click on while using the app. And from here, it's going to say tap to on allow all the time. Click on go to settings here. So just basically follow the instructions that you are currently seeing here, and you just go back. Now from here, we've just provided all the necessary settings here. Let's go and click on continue. So in this case, step permissions here. Click on get started or go back if you want to. Let's go and click on skip for now. Go back. From here, it's going to ask you to provide your notifications if you want to, but in this case, that's about it. So you could go and start using the app if you want to, and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to enough to inspo. Thank you for watching.